Om Gurve Namah. All right. So we're talking about Chitra Nakshatra Padas. Okay. So we have 4 padas of the Chitra. Okay. So we have 4 padas of the Chitra Nakshatra. Pada 1, Pada 2, Pada 3, and Pada 4. Okay. The Pada 1 belongs to what? Leo.
Brahma.
Leo.
Pada 2 belongs to
Virgo.
Virgo. Pada 3 will belong to
Libra.
and Scorpio, right?
Yes.
So what I'm gonna write is, I'm gonna write the planets. Sun,
Mercury.
Mercury. That was an intelligent one. Okay. All right. So Libra. Who's the next intelligent one?
Yes.
Venus.
Okay.
Venus,
And
Scorpio.
Mars.
amazing. Okay. So now we have these planets associated. Okay. Now this again is the energy of Mercury. Yes.
Yes.
Plus Vishwakarma.
Mhm.
And this is Venus
Venus.
plus Vishwakarma. And can I say something like here? Mars behind this. Can I have this picture? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So can I write here zodiac 6, zodiac 7?
Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Is there anything that you think which is left? Now this is the base, okay? This is the base. Okay. Now let's define something. Moon in Chitra. Okay. Pada 1. Okay. So what all things we have? So I want to write moon, and moon will be divided by Mars plus sun plus Mercury right?
Mhm.
And plus Mars, Sun, Mercury, and plus what can we write here? Vishwakarma.
Venus.
Vishwakarma. Vishwakarma.
Venus क्यों लिखेंगे? सुनील जी, Venus क्यों लिखेंगे इसमें?
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया ना इसलिए बोल दिया मैंने।
नहीं, क्या समझ में नहीं आया? क्योंकि अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा तो हम आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे, बताओ।
आप बढ़िए सर, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग सुन के देख लूंगा।
Okay, good. Okay, no problem. All right. So we have Mars, we have Sun, we have Mercury, we have Vishwakarma. So Vishwakarma is giving me art and creativity. Okay, so should I write here art and creativity? Sir, I'm teaching you, okay, how to
Yeah.
see a planet. Okay, so I can write here art, creativity. I can write it, right?
Mhm.
Okay, and with Mercury, I can write down intellect. And accounts. And what else can I write?
Strategies.
Analytical ability.
Analytical ability. Okay. What else can I write?
Sir, communication.
Communication. Very good. Okay. What else? So
Liquid cash, sir.
Business.
business mind. When you say business, it is liquidity and cash and money also. Okay. All right. So we've written intellect, we have written accounts, we've written analyticals, we've written communication, we have written business. Okay. Now,
Sir,
what we
and
will,
perfectionist.
and perfectionist, another word. I'll take it, perfectionist. That's perfect. Okay, so these are the traits of Mercury, Buddha
It's a very
Devata.
strong risk taker. This person would be very strong risk taker.
How do you know that? What makes?
So Mars, Sun, all willpower, Mercury, intellect is giving him good
Oh.
risk taking abilities.
Great. So we are yet to go to Mars. Okay. So now the Chitra overall nakshatra, Mars is passionate. The only one word is passion. So for passion, you can always take the risk. Okay. For passion, you can always take the risk, right? For desires, you take a risk, Okay. So now you have passion here. You have Mercury element here. You have art and creativity here. And what is bringing you sun with the sun? Okay, now the pada is the most important thing. That's the like outer thing. See, you know why I've designed like this? Because Mars, the passion is hidden. Okay, because Mars, and when you see Chitra or when you see Virgo, do you see Mars there? No,
No.
it is hidden. That is like a hidden thing. And then you see Chitra, right? Okay, and then you see like Pada 1. When you see Pada 1, you don't see Surya, but the Surya energy is there. Okay, so both Mars and Sun, however, everything rest is visible when you look at a chart. You see Moon is visible, you see Chitra is visible, you see, Pada 1 is visible, everything is visible, isn't? Right? Moon, you can see Moon, you can see Virgo, 6 number, even that is visible, right? So Virgo is visible because of the 6 number Rashi. Moon is already sitting there, Pada 1 is there, Chitra is written there, but what is not visible is Sun and Mars. Mars energy and Surya Devta's energy. So what will happen with this? The energy of the Mars or the characteristics of the Mars and the Sun will be very hidden characteristics. Very hidden characteristics. Okay, how hidden? For an example, with this Sun, person will be little bit self-centered. This is the biggest quality of Sun. What do you think? Authority? Huh. What do you think? Administration? Ego? No. Sun is self-centered. क्या ब्रह्मांड में सूर्य सेल्फ सेंटर्ड नहीं है? हाँ या ना?
Yes.
With this, the ability of self-center and always thinking of himself or herself. especially if you have Moon or Saturn or Rahu here. Moon, Saturn or Rahu here. And especially Mars as well at times. Yes.
But I didn't get that. How Moon, Saturn and Rahu, sir?
See, what is Moon? Mind.
Mind.
So mind will become self-centered. What is desire? Desire will become self-centered.
Hmm.
What is Saturn? Saturn is a poor fellow who has been beaten up by everyone. Is a labor. Is that labor class? If you have a lawyer here who is working, he will be always thinking of small personal profits. You know, 5,000 यहाँ से बन जाए, 2,000 यहाँ से बन जाए, 7,000 यहाँ से बन जाए, 1,500 बन जाए, commission बन जाए. Little bit self-centered. Because you have those analytic intellect also, you have passion also, but now you've got Surya Devata here. And what if Surya Devata is not well placed in the chart? Now what happens? You will be wrongly self-centered. And if Surya Devata is extremely well placed, you will be a fantastic magistrate. Or somebody who is very, very authoritative. Because when you look at a pada, you should also see the placement of the planet which is associated with the pada. If that planet is not well placed in the chart, that means the quality of the Surya. See, Surya is not same for everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Surya for you is based on your chart. Mercury for you is based on your Mercury, not my Mercury. Okay? Virgo is based on your karma in your chart. Virgo can be your first house. Virgo can be your sixth house. It is your karma. So that is why I always say that a nakshatra cannot be a generic statement. It is based on the chart. Let's take an example. Yes, Disha. Ask me a good question.
Sir, that this is not a good question. I didn't understand.
Then don't
ये
ask.
Leo. Okay.
Just watch the video again. It's a good question, you're allowed. If it's not a good question, you're not confident on your question, I'll not answer.
No, I'm not confident. The thing is, I didn't understand pada 1, pada 2 में ये Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio ये राशि कैसे
आपको
आए?
अपना पहला
ये
लेक्चर
हमें
याद है?
हाँ जी,
आपको
ये हमें
फर्स्ट
शुरू से काउंट करना पड़ेगा ना फर्स्ट
आपको फर्स्ट लेक्चर
उससे।
याद है अपना नक्षत्रस का, जब मैंने बताया था हर पदा की एक राशि होती है,
हाँ
याद
जी,
करो.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
बस उसको कैलकुलेट किया है.
कैलकुलेट
नक्षत्र
शुरू
के-
से करेंगे ना फर्स्ट
हाँ,
नक्षत्र से
हाँ,
लेके।
हाँ.
ठीक है, ठीक है,
वो 3, 4, 8, 10 बार सर्कल में घूमेगा, हर पदा को एक राशि बिलोंग करती है.
ठीक है।
All right, great. Because you need to remember first, second, third, fourth lectures, the combined lectures. उनको मैंने इसीलिए किया था. You need to remember those. Watch them again and again. Okay. Now question. I have this, Aquarius Lagna Kundli. Okay. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have moon here. Pada 1. Okay. So if it is somewhere around, moon is around 27 degree. Will it work? Is it in Chitra Pada 1? Yes, no, maybe.
So this should be Chitrapada 2.
Are you sure?
Yes, so this is Chitrapada 2.
This is Chitra Pada 2? Okay.
Yes, 26, 40 to 30 is Chitrapada 2.
So can we say 25 degree?
Yes.
Okay, 25-degree moon is Chitrapada 1. Right? Why not others, ladies and gentlemen? Only Amita? Fully synchronized? Okay, please. I need inputs. When I need inputs, I need inputs. Okay, great. So moon 25-degree. Okay. Now my first observation would be what? I'm going to use all these things here. Okay. The things that I've written here. Okay. Oh my God, where is the sun? Sun is somewhere here. Okay. Sun is here. Sun is not in Chitra although. Okay. Sun is not in the Chitra. Sun is some other nakshatra next to Chitra, or maybe in the last, degrees of Tula.
So Varmuga.
राहु वाला नक्षत्र, खराब वाला नक्षत्र, तीखा वाला नक्षत्र. ठीक है. अब सूर्य देवता चलो नंदिता जी की तमन्ना पूरी करते हैं, स्वाति में है. ठीक है. So sun is in Swati here. Forget about Swati, but sun has influence of Rahu. बस इतना दिमाग लगाओ. ठीक है. Now इस बंदे के कर्म क्या हैं? इस बंदे के कर्म के हिसाब से चंद्रमा अष्टम में आए हैं. इसका मन किस तरफ है? अकल्ट की तरफ हो सकता है मन? Yes.
Yes.
Mind is
Anything
towards
mystic.
anything
Yeah.
mystic, anything
Hidden.
occult, anything which is deep inside the earth, hidden
Hidden,
things,
Hidden.
secretive things,
Right.
right? Right. So even the FBI, CBI also can be 8th house, right? So 8th house is something secretive. I have a frame of mind कि ये बंदा secretive होगा. Okay. Now वो किस तरह का secretive होगा? अब आप लोग दिल पे हाथ रख के बताओ, आपको पूरी कुंडली चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
आपको पूरा हॉरोस्कोप चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए ना?
Yeah.
You
Yes,
need
sir.
it. You need it. Right? Now I'm gonna write Mercury here. And I'm gonna write Saturn here. You see? Okay. Can we have Jupiter here? Okay, let's have Venus here. Okay, and we have Rahu and Ketu here. Okay. Now, since you have Ketu in the 10th house, you're trying to imagine that this person now can be into occult or spiritual sciences because his profession house is somewhere affected by Ketu. और केतु पता है क्या करता है? ध्यान से सुनना, गोल्डन वर्ड्स. केतु आपको हेल्प करता है जीवन में ऐसे डिसीजन लेने के लिए जो कोई और नहीं ले सकता. You are working at 12 lakh rupees per month in a multinational company. You will quit that and you will start learning Jyotish. This is Ketu. आपका दिमाग खराब कर देगा केतु. आपको समाज के रूल तोड़ने के लिए मजबूर कर देगा केतु कि ऐसे नहीं. जो आपका परिवार कह रहा है, आपकी बीवी कह रही है, समाज कह रहा है, उस सब के अगेंस्ट अकेले आइसोलेशन में बैठ के मुझे भगवान चाहिए, मुझे अपने अंदर जाना है, मुझे ज्योतिष सीखना है, मुझे कुछ और करना है, मुझे पहाड़ों पे जाना है. Everyone go to hell. Get the beep out of my life. That's what Ketu does. That's the nature of Ketu. And I know from this combination that this moon in the 8th house with Ketu in the 10th house, with Saturn in the Lagna, with 11th Lord in the 4th house is giving me a great combination of an astrologer. You know, 11th Lord in the 4th house? 11th Lord is very important for being an astrologer. You have seen my video, I've done it with Yogi ji. What is 11th? 11th is the way you behave in the society. And if your heart says that I want to behave in the society in a fashion where my profession is, that is astrologer. And then that profession is ruled by Ketu. It has influence of Ketu on it. I understand that this is a difficult lecture. You'll have to listen to this twice or thrice because this is something called advanced level.
सर इसमें
Now,
दृष्टि भी सर
guys, stop.
ओके
Now, what happens here is that I see moon here in the 8th house. I know he's going to be an artistic person. One thing is for sure. But his Mercury is debilitated. His 8th lord is debilitated in the 2nd house of communication. He's not going to communicate it very well. And he's going to be a little bit introvert because Saturn is in the Lagna. But on the same time, he has a debilitated Surya. And Surya is debilitated in the 9th house. He's not going to be spiritual. He's going to be an astrologer during the day. In the night, he's going to enjoy his whiskey and a butter chicken. Because his 4th house is afflicted by Jupiter and Rahu, making a Guru Chandali Yoga in the heart. And his Venus is in the 6th house, which is the lord of the spirituality. 9th lord gone in the 6th house. And his Brigu Bindu point is also somewhere Moon and Rahu. Where's Moon? Moon is here. Where's Rahu? Here.
Fourth.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. PP here. And 100% he's going to go abroad with lot of karmic settlement in the 12th house. He can be an astrologer who is abroad, who doesn't communicate, but he has great analytic qualities, right? And he's analyzing the 8th house, which is the occult sciences. And he is not very religious or spiritual. And now what if you see that his Mercury is exalted in Navamsha and Surya is also exalted in Navamsha? Now what? Now he will be a good communicator as well, because if a planet is debilitated in the Lagna and is exalted in the Navamsha, you will take the qualities of exalted, not debilitated. Any planet which is bad in the D1, good in the D9, consider D9. Because D9 is the dignity. Technically, it is the dignity of the planet. Thank God it is in the first pada. Because if it would have been in the second pada, it would have been Vargottam. It would have been same in the Navamsha. What we will predict out of this? We will predict that this guy would be creative, artistic. You know, those astrologers who make videos with those animations explaining Jyotish? You know, because Chitra is there, right? And they're very practical, not spiritual. This guy can be a great Vastu specialist. Oh, where is the Mars? We have no Mars placed for him. Okay. We have no Mars. This is the Mars. Okay. That is how you analyze. Okay. He has well, somebody should unmute. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What is the planet which is left? All are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. What planet is left?
All are done, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Suppose the moon is in Pada 2. Now what? You have influence of Mercury. But yet, let's discuss the differences in Pada 1 and Pada 2. Okay? Pada 1, he's an astrologer. Pada 2, he's an astrologer. Okay? Pada 1, he is a very self-centered person, egoistic, authoritative, and try to dominate. Okay? Pada 2, he's an astrologer. He's not authoritative. He's like a businessman. And in a very subtle way, he knows how to take the business out. That's what the Mercury is. That is the difference between the same combination, the Pada 1 and the Pada 2. Pada 1 is giving self-centeredness. Pada 2 is giving business mind because Mercury is involved. Pada 1 is making him egoistic. Pada 2 is not making him egoistic. Pada 1 is making him selfish. And Pada 2 is not making him selfish. Pada 1 is making him do what? Pada 1 is making him think to the higher level, the broader view of the business. And Pada 2 is Mercury is a very micro level. So if he's in Pada 1, he will look at the horoscope in a broader way. If he's the astrologer with Pada 2, he will look at the chart in a very micro way. Are you with me, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Any confusions, Yogi ji, Mayur ji? See, this is how we are trying to relate. Now person say, oh, no, Navneet sir, I am not an astrologer. I am a software engineer. I'm working for cyber security. Because every nakshatra has many traits of profession. So I'm not an astrologer, but I work for cyber security and we do a lot of secret things. We dig in the data of people and we investigate on the profiles of the people and we see that, you know, who all are doing the nonsense on internet. So we are like that. No problem. But what is the difference between Pada 1 and Pada 2? With the Pada 1, you know, he could be a hacker and then he entered the cyber security because Sun is debilitated. With Pada 2, his Mercury is debilitated. But unfortunately, nobody has noticed one thing, that Mercury is making a Neech Bhang Raj Yog with the Jupiter. Because Jupiter is in the Kendra. So Mercury is no more debilitated. You see? Oh my God, Jupiter is also aspecting the 8th house. Nobody even noticed that. The Jupiter is also aspecting the 8th house. Yes. And Jupiter is a Ati Yoga Karaka Graha and making a Raj Yoga here. Why Ati Yoga Karak? Why Ati Yoga
Don't know
Karak?
guarantee.
It is Lord of the 2 wealth houses.
Yes,
the
sir.
11 and the 2nd.
Sir, Bhrigu Bindu will be in 6th or 7th house.
Sorry?
Bhrigu Bindu, Bhrigu point.
Yeah.
It will be in 6th or 7th house, no?
It is between Rahu and Moon. Yeah, it should be here.
Yes.
Correct. Not here. Now, Jupiter is aspecting. So, what do you think? He'll be wealthy? How will he be financially? Tell me.
Yes, sir, because it's.
Should be good. Yeah.
He'll be good.
Yeah.
He'll be good. He'll be fantastic. But he will be spiritual to a level, right? Because Jupiter is afflicted. He'll be like practically spiritual. Sun is debilitated in the 9th house. He may not follow the rituals of the legacy, the father, grandfather.
Mm.
Suddenly moon jumps here to Pada 3. What happens now? Payal, will you tell me what will happen? क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Payal. Moon Pada 3 in this horoscope.
So moon and Pada 3. So related to the astrological point of view only, we have to take it forward, like with the same person.
Why? Do you think he's going to be an astrologer from here? Do you think?
No, so that's what I was just asking.
No,
Like we don't have to consider that point, right?
No. Let me just remove this so that there's no confusion. Okay. So moon in Chitra Pada 3. Here. P3. In the 9th house.
So he'll be spiritual for sure with the sun and moon in Pada 3, and at the same time he'll be more into creative line or more into the fame line.
Mm-hmm.
He'll shift into the fame or celebrity side kind of a line more.
Mm-hmm.
Because 9th house will give him fame also with the sun and moon together. Creativity.
Mm-hmm. What else? What else? Tell me. Anyone who could predict? Anyone who want to try?
Guruji, can I try?
Yes.
Guruji, first of all, sun का influence या Mercury का influence ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा influence Venus का. And Venus is a guru. I think this person can also become a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
And he can become a spiritual teacher.
Mm-hmm.
But also I think that he may be an arts teacher. I think so.
Mm-hmm.
Guruji, that is what I think.
Okay, guys, what is the first observation? Come to the basics, guys. Everyone.
सर शुक्ल पक्ष और कृष्ण पक्ष भी इफेक्ट करता होगा ना सन मून
करता है, लेकिन आपने एक चीज देखी, यहाँ पे कोई परिवर्तन योग बन रहा है?
Possibility of अमावस्या योग.
अमावस्या योग है.
Yes, possibility. We will have to see the degrees.
अमावस्या योग छोड़ो, कोई परिवर्तन योग बन रहा है? क्या बन रहा है?
Yes, sir. 6th and 9th.
कोई परिवर्तन योग है इसमें?
Yes, sir.
4th and 7th.
Yes, sir, 6th and 9th.
6th and
छठे भाव का स्वामी नवम भाव में,
Sir,
नवम भाव का
4th.
स्वामी छठे भाव में है.
Yes.
4th and 7th sir
Yeah, 6th and 9th
What do you
house.
think now? 6th house energy going in the 9th house, 9th house energy going in the 6th house. What do you think? Can you think of a doctor? Can you think of a dermatologist?
Because Venus.
Sorry.
So because of Venus, you're saying this dermatologist
Yes.
thing?
देखो, जब एक घर का दूसरे घर में परिवर्तन होता है तो क्या होता है, एक घर की प्रॉपर्टीज दूसरे के इन्फ्लुएंस करती है और दूसरे घर की प्रॉपर्टीज उसको इन्फ्लुएंस करती है. मेरे घर में आके आप वो खाना खाओगे जो मैं खाता हूँ, और आपके घर में आके मैं वो खाऊंगा जो आप खाते हो.
the moon and Venus won't give him highest level of creativity and
Yes,
expressive, and that's what I just thought. In ninth house, you see fame also. So and
Yes.
Sun is also there.
yes,
So
yes.
all those things, like won't he be more on the? I mean, connected to too much to public. I mean, on a higher level kind of
Yes.
way. He's like too much high on fame.
Yes, 100% yes. But he'll be very dissatisfied because of Amavasya Yoga. Besides having all the fame, all being a good doctor, every जो एक जो dermatologist होता है वो अपने आप को, अगर कोई female dermatologist होगी वो आपको हमेशा बहुत सुंदर रखेगी. Because he's like a role model. Yes or no? जब उसकी अपनी स्किन अच्छी नहीं है तो वो दूसरे की स्किन अच्छी क्या करेगी? You understand? Suddenly, the creativity has now shifted towards Venus, towards the 6th house. And Mars is also aspecting the 8th house from the 4th aspect, which is again surgery. Because Mars is now aspecting the 4th house, isn't? मंगल की दृष्टि है चतुर्थ भाव पे, अष्टम भाव पे.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it could be plastic surgeon too.
Absolutely, bang on. Yes. A plastic surgeon,
So
an eye
Mars and
surgeon.
8th house connection, plastic surgeon.
Sun and moon, eyes.
Okay, okay.
And sir,
Eyes.
8th lord is also gone in 2nd house, which is of face.
The eye surgeon.
Hmm.
And 100% this person will have absence of father. 100% bang on, no father in life. या
So
तो
absence
पिता
of father because of?
अमावस्या योगा.
Okay.
किसी की कुंडली में अमावस योग आ गया, उसके माता पिता या नहीं होंगे या अलग रहते होंगे, उनकी आपस में बनती नहीं होगी. Disputed parental family. और अगर ये क्लोज कंजंक्शन हुई तो फिर ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. अगर ये वर्चुअल या एक लूज कंजंक्शन हुई फिर इतना शायद इफेक्ट ना आए. और अगर जुपिटर का एस्पेक्ट हो गया तो अमावस्या योग का वो जो इफेक्ट है माँ बाप वाला वो खत्म हो जाता है, अगर जुपिटर एस्पेक्ट कर जाए इसको या जुपिटर साथ. And you know what? Here, imagine that Venus is in Ashlesha, in Ashalesha. सोचो. What is Ashalesha? White snake, something, Mercury.
Well, snake. Lincoln.
You're very obsessed about his wealth or something.
Exactly. This person will be obsessed. Obsessive behavior. एक तो अमावस योग है, दूसरा शुक्र भी अश्लेषा में गया.
So especially the 2nd house is getting connected.
And the Mercury is in Revati. Creativity, highest level of creativity. Revati is more creative than Chitra. एक लाइन साइड पे लिख लो, जब रेवती पे पहुंचेंगे मेरी इस बात को याद करना. Revati is more creative than Chitra.
So if Revati is in Chitra, if Mercury is in Revati, can this person, even though they seem a little quiet with Saturn being in the 1st house, can this person overcome and be like a professional speaker and healer, like self-coach or can they do that because of Mercury, or is Mercury still debilitated when it comes to communication?
No, it's not debilitated, it's doing a niche bang. In this
That's
place.
right. So they could have a profession like that.
Yes. You see people who are doing spiritual rock stars, rock stars.
Mm-hmm.
One of my friends,
GKD.
GKD. Yes, Payal.
Sir, just one question here. Like Mercury, had there been no, Nijbam Rajyog nahi hota hai yahan pe, and Mercury would have been debilitated. So we said like communication skills ka issue hota. But at the same time, you said his analysis over the astrological charts would have been good. But then how his analytical part would have been good if his Mercury is debilitated?
See, you have to see where Mercury is debilitated. It is in the Lagna or in the second house?
Okay,
It
second
is in
house.
the second house.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what he's missing? He's missing on the ancestral wealth. He's missing in the wealth which is given by the parents. He made everything or she made everything himself or herself. He's not missing in the communication because his third lord is in the fifth house.
So in-laws wealth also he could get, or they also he'll not be getting because of the debilitation and
He will not get
just
it because the eighth
will
lord
not
is
get-
debilitated in the second house. He will not get it.
Okay.
He will not get it. Now you are speaking what I want you to speak. He will not get it. Nor from the Sukhvinder. Please mute yourself, my friend. Thank you. Because he's not got from the second house, he's not got from the, yes, Swapnil.
Guruji, I think that this person will be good in communication, but he will lack a good vocabulary.
Exactly. And also his style will not be good because second house is the way you speak, not what you speak.
Yes, Guruji.
What you speak is the third house. The way you speak, I mean, this person could have a lot of mother tongue influence on his communication, but his communication may be good. Lot of MTI.
Yes, Guruji. गुरुजी और वो टीचर वाला पार्ट पूरा का डिस्कार्ड कर दूं, मतलब what I was trying to say.
He can be a teacher. He can be a teacher. He can be a teacher who is teaching Dharma. He can be a teacher, you know, who is teaching architect and fashion technology because of Venus being in the sixth, and he's obsessive about it. And
Okay,
he could
Guruji.
be a teacher who is also extremely egoistic because Sun is debilitated. But his ego is never fruitful. मतलब वो ego रखता है लेकिन उसकी ego चलती नहीं है. And he'll be extremely dissatisfied from his life because of अमावस्या योगा. अमावस्या योग की एक बात बताऊं, कुछ भी हो जाए, इंसान की 100 करोड़ की लॉटरी निकल आए, वो बंदा फिर भी डिससेटिस्फाइड रहेगा अपनी जिंदगी में. That is the meaning of अमावस्या. काली रात है जीवन.
So all spheres of life or just the financial?
Almost all the aspects of life. उसको dissatisfaction तो रहनी ही रहनी है उसके दिमाग में. Guys, who will ask me आज के बाद that my moon is in the third pada of this nakshatra? Guruji, tell what will happen. Who will ask me now? Anyone
So
who is interested?
So you will be asking us.
I'll never ask. I would never ask.
So you should immediately make a chart and say, now you tell, like, you know, how is it?
I don't want to waste my time.
Exactly.
At this stage, no, but maybe in 3 months, yes. I lost my power somehow. I just lost my power. Maybe if it is up in a second, because I want to show you my video that you can see me that I'm not in the power right now. It's gone. Oh, it's came. It's come back. Okay, good. All right. So now Pada 4. Now you have Mars influence in it. Now what? Tell me. Pada 4. Moon Pada 4. 9th house. He'll be a very passionate person about spirituality. 9th house. Okay. About his work. He'll be brave in his work. Right? Whatever he's doing. He's a dermatologist. He's a he's a teacher, right? He is a doctor, he's an eye specialist, but he's going to be a brave one. He's going to be a passionate one. He's going to be a daring one. And he will believe in a lot of surgeries rather than medicine. He will not believe in treatment. He will believe in surgery. But again, he will be a 100% a plastic surgeon. 100% that Nandita ji said. Because
Too
now-
much Venus and Moon beauty influence, and then
Yes,
coming
and then
with
Mars influence, and the nakshatra is Mars. And
Yes.
वो भाग्य में, वो कर्म उसके भाग्य में बैठ गया जाके. And people with moon in the 8th and the 9th house are Krishna devotees. लिख लो, मेरा अंगूठा लगवा लो उसके ऊपर. लगा देता हूँ. पक्का. Moon 8th house, 9th house. You ask him, are you a Krishna devotee? He will say, I am. Maybe I'm not, but I don't know what, something happens to me when I see Krishna. Maybe he's not unfolded his soul. Still got few folds. Some guru will come and unfold it. I don't know, maybe someday with the dasha or something. This is how you see pada. You know what? First pada, I want to give you a broader view. The first pada that falls in Surya will makes a person self-centered and looking at the broader view. The second pada looks at very minute things because of the Mercury. And the third pada is association wali pada, because Venus will also believe in association. So with the third pada, you will feel very good while associating with someone. And the fourth pada is like little mysterious, because Mangal is one of the most mysterious planets after Rahu, which every soldier is the mysterious one, because they will always hide and then they will work. They will never show up directly. Any soldier will never show up directly. They will have passion and secrecy. Isn't? Passionate people, strong people. Rachit ji is in pada 4. He is extremely passionate about his sports, his career, his studies, his research. I mean, if he plays cricket, he would always want to, imitate the batsmen like Dhoni or Sachin, or when he was a young guy, or he would imitate the bowling styles of different people. That's what Mars does. These are the 4 padas. Now I have done moon. Forget about the chart, okay? I want each one of you till my next class to write down Mars, Saturn, Jupiter in pada 1, 2, 3, 4 of Chitra. Forget about the chart, just the journal, which will give you 30-40% of accuracy. Now you realize it is 30-40% of accuracy, not 100%. That is how you analyze a pada. That is how you give a statement for a particular planet in a given nakshatra, in a given house. This is your homework. Yes, Shweta ji.
हरे कृष्णा सर.
Hare Krishna.
सर लग्न के लिए ऐसी सेम पता देखनी है अपने को
जी.
यानी एसेंडेंट के लिए भी 1 2 3 4 पदा ऐसे ही देखनी है.
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
ओके सर.
सबके लिए ऐसे देखना है, क्योंकि कोई भी चीज अगर आपकी कुंडली में है तो वो किसी ना किसी नक्षत्र में जरूर होगी और किसी ना किसी पदा में जरूर होगी. और अगर आपको डिग्रीज पता है तो आपको पता लग जाएगा वो कौन सी पदा में.
जी सर. ओके.
Yes, Nandini.
Yes. So how can we find out that what is the profession exactly a person is doing?
We can't find out. I mean, it takes long time of experience and looking at combinations, right? Because same combinations can give you 10 professions.
That's what
Same
I'm asking.
combinations, which is a very
Yes.
good question, very intelligent. I'll be very honest with you on this. The same combination can give you 10 professions, right? But on the same time, when you look at 10-12 charts every day, suddenly you will see, okay, iska marks bhi yahi tha, iska bhi hai. Then the profession will start matching. This will come with experience.
Okay, sir.
Because when
Also,
Muni Parashara was sorry Yogi, when Muni Parashara was designing the Jyotish, he never knew somebody someday will be a cyber security guy. He never knew that. Yes, Yogi.
Okay, sir.
sir, I was just about to add something like sometimes we see like something from the chart and we see, oh, this person must be obviously this, but then he doesn't have those qualities at that particular time or age, and he may develop them later on. Like a person to start with would be something like an engineer, and then he becomes astrologer after
Like a
certain
Navneet
time.
Chitkara, somebody
Yes.
said, I was 18-year-old, he said, you will become a doctor one day. And I was playing cricket that time. I wanted to play for India at that time. My full energy was to play cricket. Right? And then I said, what? और अगर वो मुझे बोलता ना कि तुम एस्ट्रोलॉजर बनोगे जीवन में, तो वो मैं उसको बोलता है दिस गाय इज मैड, ये पागल है. अगर आपकी कोई कुंडली प्रेडिक्ट करके आज से 10 साल पहले या 5 साल पहले आपको कहता है यू विल बी इनटू स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड ज्योतिष, वुड यू बिलीव हिम? यस और नो? नो. And that's a great observation, Yogi. Absolutely great. Yes, Rachit ji.
Yes, sir. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Sir, इसमें you can also add the purposes of the pada, ना? जैसे अर्थ, धर्म, कामा, मोक्षा,
Yes.
P1, P2, P3, P4. So you can add these also to the respective analysis that we've done here.
100% yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
100% yes. And then you can add the Devi Shakti also, because every pada has a Devi Shakti. No?
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, you can take it to whatever level of research. Yes, Simrat ji.
Sir, this question is about Amavasya Yoga.
Yes.
So can there be exceptions to this yoga?
Yes, there can be. When Jupiter is good, or when the longevity of the mother and father in their individual charts is good.
Yes, sir. So that's what I wanted to know.
No problem.
Thank you.
Then that Amavasya Yoga will only give you dissatisfaction in life all the time, but you will not lose your parents, or you will not lose your father or your mother. Amavasya is very, very bad for the absence of father, not the mother. If I've seen 20 Amavasya Yogas, 16 to 17 I've seen father not there, and the son is with the mother. And in 5 cases I've seen the mother, because Amavasya is a term which is related to mother, moon. So moon बच जाता है, चंद्रमा अकेला हो जाता है. वो अंधेरी रात चंद्रमा के लिए है, और चंद्रमा को अकेला करने के लिए सूर्य का जाना जरूरी है.
Got it, sir. Thank you, sir. Understood.
So another thing I wanted to ask, when the degree of the pada is very close, let's say transitioning from Sun to Mercury, then obviously the traits of both will be closely there in the person, right?
Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. And you know what? If that moon, see 3 things. If that moon is very close to the ascendant degree, suppose उस बंदे का ascendant भी 25 डिग्री पे होता और मून भी 25-25.5 डिग्री पे पदा 1 में चित्रा के, और मून की महादशा चल पड़ती, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सोर्स पॉइंट. फर्स्ट लेक्चर याद करो मेरा, द प्लैनेट जो असेंडेंट की डिग्री के 3 डिग्री के बीच में होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल और वो होता है, उस पर्टिकुलर दशा में पूरी की पूरी जिंदगी बदल जाती है। क्योंकि जो प्लैनेट आपके ASC के 3 डिग्री प्लस या 3 डिग्री माइनस के बीच में होगा वो आपकी कुंडली का सबसे पावरफुल प्लैनेट है, और उसकी दशा या महादशा चल रही हो और वो आपका जन्म नक्षत्र यानी कि चंद्र हो, इमेजिन, तो वो दशा तो प्रॉपर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, अगर वो वेल प्लेस्ड है तो आपको वो मिलियनर बना देगा, वो आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देगा बिल्कुल, और अगर वो बैडली प्लेस्ड है तो आपको खत्म कर देगा। सिमरत जी,
Yes, sir.
you give access of Jyotish Acharya all videos to Nandita. Okay.
Sir, she is already there. She is there.
Oh, she has all the access to all the videos of Jyotish Acharya.
Yes, sir. I did add her, but I'll check it again, sir.
Please add her.
If I'm not wrong, she is there.
I want her to listen to them.
So one more
Okay, sir.
thing.
Sir, I'll talk to Naman.
And also put her in Jyotish Acharya 7 batch, which I'm going to start. So usme just put her there.
Okay, sir. I'll do that, sir.
Because these are some crucial points which she is missing on.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
Yes, Payal.
So, like Amavasya Yoga that you said, like will give the absence of father, and so how? So we obviously need to connect it to the house where it is the conjunction is found.
Wherever. I mean, suppose if it is happening in the 12th house, where सूर्य का मरण कारण स्थान है, फिर तो हमें श्योरिटी हो जाती है.
Okay.
If it is happening in the 4th house, तो भी हमें श्योरिटी हो जाती है कि फादर नहीं, क्योंकि घर में पिता का सुख नहीं है. और सूर्य की डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेंथ 0 होती है 4th हाउस में. सबसे ज्यादा डायरेक्शनल स्ट्रेंथ सूर्य की 10th हाउस में है.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो 12 बजे के आसपास वहां पे होता है और रात को 12 बजे के आसपास. 8th हाउस में लॉन्जिविटी अच्छी होती है सूर्य की.
Okay.
क्योंकि डेथ के हाउस में वो रोशनी पैदा कर देता है. 8th हाउस का सूर्य अगर इंसान के जीवन में हो, वो किसी के पास खड़ा हो जिसकी मृत्यु हो रही हो, उसकी मृत्यु नहीं होगी.
Yes, so this you have shared in the video.
सर इसका कारण क्या है?
क्योंकि अष्टम भाव में अंधेरा है, वो अंडरनीथ है, वहां पर सूर्य ने उजाला कर देना है, अंधेरा खत्म कर देना है. जब किसी की मृत्यु होती है उसको 10 मिनट के लिए सब कुछ अंधेरा लगता है.
So that means it gives healing power also to that person.
Exactly. I have seen a lot of astrologers, healers, tarot cards with Surya and Mercury in the 8th house or in the 12th house.
So
सूर्य मारक हो
तो मारक हो तो वो राक्षसों की तरह हीलर होगा. राक्षस भी हीलर हो सकते हैं. वो मतलब he will misuse the healing.
तो भी वो डेथ को रोक सकते हैं, मतलब मारक हो तब भी.
Yes.
Okay.
So 9th house Amavasya Yoga will never support the fortune of the person or something like that.
It can. I mean, see, the fortune will be there, but you will be not satisfied with the fortune. Suppose if you have a Ferrari, but still you're not satisfied. What is the use of Ferrari? It is useless.
Okay. I thought it will bring Grahana only to the fortune.
Suppose it is 9th house is ruled by Sun himself. He will get the fortune, but he will not be satisfied. I hope you all liked this lecture today.
Yes.
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 Okay.
So,
Yes, sir.
You'll have to go back and watch it
Yes.
again. You'll have to go back and watch it again because I've just given you a glimpse of how do we look at things in a chart, but then on the same time, when you will learn divisional charts with me, similar step more you will have in your brain. Now imagine. That is why we get testimonials where we say what testimonials we get? Sir, you changed my life. Sir, you got this, you know, you were so accurate in predicting this. You told me a day I will get married. You told me, you know, when I'll get my visa, when I'll connect to my family. You get these testimonials. And you know, okay, if you predict everything and still nothing is happening with the person, what could be the reason? Anyone who could tell me? You did everything right, you calculated everything right, you gave the accurate remedy from the Rig Veda or a Yajur Veda. Still things are not happening with that person. Nothing is working for that person. What is the reason?
विपत में
Sir,
चल
is
रहा होगा
present karma.
No, it
Sir,
is the prarabdha is very heavy. The
But how do we
prarabdha,
know the prarabdha, how heavy it is or not?
see, there are certain combinations in the divisional chart, especially in the D60, which I'll teach you, from where you understand that the prarabdha is very heavy. And you know what? And if we say this to that person that the prarabdha is very heavy, you know, that person will lose his or her confidence.
Yeah.
We can't say that. And you will never say that. But the prarabdha is very, very heavy. Okay? So what magic has happened in the chat? Huh?
What has happened?
Good things about Amavasya Yoga is person involved in deep research. Yeah, to yes, Disha.
So one thing I read in a book by Sadhguru, he said that a person on the spiritual path, if a person is on the spiritual path, you cannot predict. मतलब उनकी कुंडली आप predict नहीं कर सकते देख के.
Well, I disagree to that.
Okay.
I completely disagree to that. It is a science. It has nothing to do with spirituality. Spirituality is the basis, is the condition to learn this science. And if somebody is on the spirituality path, you know what different? The only thing is that everything will happen around him, but that spiritual person will not feel it. A weak person will feel it.
Yeah, मतलब that will not affect the person.
This is
the
exactly
planets.
somebody behaves on somebody's death, no? Try and understand what I'm saying. You take a wicket, you just ball somebody out, how you behave. You can behave like Virat Kohli and you can be as silent as some other.
So we can say that person learns to respond to the situations rather than reacting to the situations. That would be the difference coming
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So maybe when your energy, when your mind, body, and energy are in like एक क्या बोलो उसको word?
I mean, it gives you
in sync. When they
yeah,
are
they're
in sync, तो
yes.
आपको बहुत ज़्यादा आसपास की चीजें affect नहीं करती.
नहीं करती हैं. नहीं करती हैं. आज की डेट में मुझे सबसे ज्यादा इफेक्ट पता है क्या करता है? हाय, आप लोगों की क्लास ना मिस हो जाए, क्लास लेनी है. आप सिमरत जी से पूछो, योगी जी से पूछो. ये लोग कहते हैं सर आपने नई क्लास लेनी है. मैंने लेनी है, मैंने क्लास पे करना है. यू नो दीज थिंग्स इफेक्ट. और आपको और कोई चीजें इफेक्ट नहीं करती. माय वाइफ वाज सेइंग तू सारी रात 20 उल्टियां की हुई हैं, तो दोपहर को 11 बजे वीडियो बना रहा है, 20 बजे यू नो दोपहर को तो 20 उल्टियां करके दोपहर को क्लासेस ले रहा है, तो किस मिट्टी का बना हुआ है? शी वाज टेलिंग मी दिस. बिकॉज बहुत सी चीजें एक लेवल के बाद आपको इफेक्ट ही नहीं करती. Although the energy was little less yesterday, but then I think I should compensate it today. यही मैं आप लोगों को चाहता हूं. अब आपको एक बात बताऊं, मेरे पास दुखी से दुखी कुंडली आती है ना. कोई बंदा मुझे कह रहा है कि मैं डायलिसिस पे हूं 13 महीने से और मेरी लाइफ में ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी बीवी छोड़ के चली गई और बच्चे मेरी बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं. गाइज, आई स्वेयर ऑन एनीवन, मुझे कोई दुख फील नहीं होता. मुझे 1% भी दुख फील नहीं होता है. क्या ये सही है कि गलत है?
सही है.
सही है सर.
सही है, ये बिल्कुल भी गलत नहीं है.
If you become emotional, then आपकी judgment खराब हो जाएगी.
Point number 1. Point number 2, I am so immune to all these things now. I have heard so much. I've gotten immune. Point number
Also, sir,
3. Point number 3. My focus is towards finding a resolution. I'm not concerned about what is happening. I'm concerned इसका उपाय क्या है, ये कहाँ से निकलेगा. अच्छा ये नक्षत्र है, ओहो मुझे खोलो, मुझे ये किताब खोलनी, मुझे वो किताब खोलनी. 10 books open in front of me, and I'm just finding that one magical mantra that can help that person. That's it.
So you are like a doctor. You can't get emotional.
No, but if I start thinking of and start चित्रा वाली imagination करनी शुरू कर दूं कि उसकी condition ये होगी, उसका fuselage बना होगा और यहाँ से खून निकल रहा होगा और वहां से जा रहा होगा, I cannot give him the solution. And I want each one of you not to be affected from any such situation of anybody who's coming to you for the help. Do you all promise me this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nandita
Yeah.
ji. What do you want to say?
And
no,
also,
I was saying that not to the degree that you get in, interact with people, but there has been times when people have mentioned like, oh, this poor guy, this happened and how horrible. And at times my reaction was, well, that was probably his karma, that, you know, you can't overreact. And, you know, yes, it's a horrible thing, but, you know, things don't happen unless somewhere along the line you're balancing your karma. And after I said this, I kind of felt really bad. Like I was being so, you know, not sympathetic, but it's true, right? I mean, after.
See, I got your point. Nandita ji, I'm not saying it to him that I'm not bothered about what is happening to you. I am just not bothered from inside. You don't have to say
that
this.
was. Yeah, that was my reaction. But I was talking to my mom who was telling me about someone, and she was quite upset. And I was trying to tell her, like,
you're wrong here. You should
yeah.
not say it, because if somebody comes to me, the first thing I say is, कोई बात नहीं, आप हौसला रखो, भगवान आपका भला करेगा, मैं आपकी पूरी मदद करूंगा. Right? मैं उसको पूरा दिलासा देता हूँ, सहानुभूति उसको देता हूँ. I empathize, but from deep inside my heart, I'm not feeling anything. I mean, while giving a solution, I can sip my cup of coffee. And if I'm eating a gulab jamun, I will also eat it. While giving the consultation or while giving him the remedy, if I'm having my gulab jamun, I will not stop it. I will eat it. You understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yeah.
In a mortuary, people are having breakfast on the same table where bodies are kept.
Exactly.
Yogi ji, you were saying something.
I was just adding to your point, sir. Sometimes, you know, people will come up with things which they feel too much, like they will over, you know, say few things about themselves. कि नहीं मैं ऐसा हूँ या मेरा साथ ऐसा हो रहा है. But the chart shows like it's not to the extent that they are saying. So you don't have to like don't have to believe directly. जो लोग कह रहे हैं, लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा चढ़ा के भी बोलते हैं.
Yes, it
अरे मेरा
happens.
तो सब कुछ बर्बाद हो गया. लेकिन कुंडली कह रही है नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ, आपका एक ही गलती है, वो भी आपकी गलती है.
मैं भी ऐसी चीजों को मैं मुंह तोड़ जवाब देता हूँ. मेरे पास ऐसी फीमेल्स आती हैं जो मुझे कहती हैं, you know, this guy really destroyed my life. He was such a crap person. You know, he was an important guy. This, that, ये वो दुनिया भर की वो मुझे बोलेंगी. But when we look at their own chart, it is the pathetic chart they have got themselves.
Yeah.
And I tell them that, see, you're wrong here. You know, every husband is not a stud. And every stud cannot be a husband. You see, I tell them on the face, ये कलयुग है ना, दिमाग खराब हो रखा है. And similarly for females also, the males are also, you know, they pretend as if they're very innocent, but males are not innocent. They are not. They pretend as if they're very innocent, but they are dictating their wives like anything. They want complete control. And they say, oh, my wife is out of my hand. The wife is already out of the hand because you stressed her so much. Now she's become rebellious. I tell them on the face. Men pretend to be very, very, sensitive and, as if they've been beaten up in their life and they're like working like a bull. No, they are not. So वो जो आपने कहा वो कुंडली देख के हमें पता लगता है, आपको भी पता लगने लगेगा. The person is coming and saying me, I'm doing, these mantras in the morning. I'm going to temple every day. I'm doing Sahasranam every day. I'm doing this every day. Then I do 10 dhan every day, 15 dhan every day. And then I ask him, okay, that is very good, but I see this planet here. What brand is your favorite one? Arey Guruji, wo to kabhi kabhi, thoda thoda evening mein. Because you know that, because people will do like that, but you should not be shaken from the good things that you listen about somebody and the bad things that you listen from someone. You should be stable, just focusing on the chart. Just focusing on the chart. Don't think that you are giving consultation to a sinner, right? And do not think that you're giving consultation to a guru or a sadhu. No. You have to just focus on the chart. That what is the yoga in that chart? How should I help him or her? That's it. सिर्फ यही सोचना आपको. उनकी स्टोरी आपको आइडिया दे सकती है, लेकिन उनकी कुंडली आपको एग्जैक्ट बता देगी. Amita, you have a question?
No, sir, just adding to this, actually, just a personal experience. I'm not going to say that I was not affected by it, but recently when my mom fell sick, in my mind, I was able to actually balance a lot of thoughts because of certain aspects that I knew of her Kundali and, having spoken to you.
Yeah.
But it was very interesting that I was not feeling shaken up.
Yes.
I had like a strategy in my mind for every stage of what might happen.
Yes.
And it was very easy to, ever since I have been listening and been in classes with you, the one positive thing that's happened is that faith in what I have to do is becoming stronger and stronger. Even if the money is lesser, even if the focus is less, the things are not good, but I've become more like a step by step being able to. So I'm just hoping that when I read a Kundali, I'm able to analyze it in the same way. Because, many times in a situation like what's happened recently for my mom, most of the time you put your emotion in front and your brain is not working then, right?
Yes.
So it's just become, it's so easy to now, ever since you've taught this way of analyzing, it's very helpful.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
That's so true. And that is what I expect from every single person here. That's when Guru feels so proud. Yes, Dilpreet ji.
Sir, when you mentioned D60, I just had this notion. I think D60 is also used for BTR purposes for very accurate timing. So can you someday take a class on that as well?
I will take a complete lecture on that, but that is going to happen because after this course, I'm going to launch the divisional charts course, and D60 is something which will be covered because Yogi ji, Mayur ji always they are always behind my life. Sir, मैं BTR सिखाओ. लेकिन मैं बोलो BTR मैं कब सिखाऊं जब तक आप वर्गा चार्ट्स नहीं कंप्लीट करोगे. And in BTR, because when I did the BTR of Srila Prabhupada ji, right? So D60 was one of the very important charts that I have used.
Right. And another thing, sir, Varnada Lagan के लिए मैंने आपसे request करी थी. Is that
we'll
also
do
a
that
topic
workshop? Yeah, we'll do that.
workshop.
Yeah.
Okay.
वो आप श्रुति जी को लिखवा दो, so we'll do it.
ठीक है sir. Thank you so much.
All right. So मैं अब अपनी वाणी को विश्राम दूंगा. ठीक है. आप लोग होमवर्क करेंगे सारे और नक्षत्रों की पदाओं में, चित्रा नक्षत्र की सभी पदाओं में सभी ग्रहों को आप लिखेंगे और लिखकर आप अपने ग्रुप्स के अंदर फोटो खींच के उसको डालेंगे आप. Right? Please do please adhere to what I say and do your homeworks very sincerely. That is the most important thing, because When my Guruji used to say something कि नवनीत करना है तो करना है. Okay? All right. So 3 बार ओम बोलेंगे, 12 बार ओम गुरुवे नमः. ओम गुरुवे नमः.
गुरुवे नमः.
ओम 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 गुरुवे नमः.
ओम